How to use automatic syncing in Mailchimp. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create automatic stuff and automate your Mailchimp emailing process. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to sign up for Mailchimp. So you can click on sign up or you can just sign into your account. It's pretty simple and easy. All you need to do is enter your email. So once you sign up, this is going to be your basic little dashboard. So on your dashboard over here, you can see on your left, you have your different navigation panels. You have your audience, campaigns, automation, website, content studio, integrations, and then you have your search section as well, and what you can do to automate or sync up your business. Now, the first syncing up that I would recommend that you should do is you can go into your audience section and you can go into all contacts, and then you can add more contacts. So what you can do is you can add like contacts via this kind of email address, but another great thing that you can actually do is you can click on add your contacts, and instead of adding them manually one by one, you can just import a CSV file or a tab delimited txt file. And you can also copy and paste from a spreadsheet that you have, but that is totally optional. It's going to be a lot more easier if you just have one CSV file for all of your contacts, and then you can just copy and paste it onto any platform. Now, what is the next thing that you're going to be doing with Mailchimp? Well, you're going to be creating your campaigns. Now, in campaigns, instead of having to manually send emails every time someone does something, you can automate and sync up this entire process. So it's totally simple and easy, and you don't have to worry about this at all. It's a simple and easy sync up that you can do. So let's say you want to create like a welcome discount. So every time someone joins for your newsletter, you want to give them a discount code, and you don't want to have to look through every time someone signs up and does the entire thing. You just want this to be an automated, synced up, lined up process that automatically happens whenever someone signs up. Well, it's pretty simple. What you're going to do is you can click on automation over here, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on customer journey. You're going to click on create journey over here, and you're going to begin creating that journey. So what this basically is that you can enter your entire sync up process, how you want everything to go, and then you can just sync it up, and then you can just apply it, and then it will begin automatically. So you can name this journey. Let's say I'm going to name this welcome discount, and then I'm going to add the audience for this. So the audience is Jane Doe Inc. customers, and I'm going to click on start journey over here. So over here, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the starting point. So for the starting point of our example, I'm going to click on over here, and you can see there are different categories of starting points. So it could be on their birthday, on their sign up date, on shopping activity, on marketing activity, on API and integrations as well. What I want is whenever someone signs up, I want to provide a discount. So you're going to go on to contact activity, and you're going to select signs up. So whenever they sign up, we're going to save this starting point, and whenever they sign up, they are going to be led to the next stage. So what is the next stage? You're going to take a look at your left side. You're going to have different actions, and then you also have rules. So you're going to add a rule or a action, but this is a simple kind of journey. So whenever they sign up, I want to send them an email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this over here. You're just going to drag it and drop it right over this plus icon, and then this is it. So whenever they sign up, they get an email, and then you're going to click on over here, and what you're going to do is you're going to select a template or use a previous campaign template. You're just going to click on select a template, and then you can design the email that they are going to receive. So there are quite a bunch of videos I have made on how to design Mailchimp emails. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick run through. So I'm just going to take this little template over here, and I'm going to pick it out, and I'm going to show you guys how to edit it. I'm not going to go into too much detail. You're just going to select this, and you can delete anything you want. Once you delete something, you can add like a different content block. So I'm just going to add like a text block over here, and I'm going to enter my own text from here. So on the right, you have your editing tools, and on the left, you have your preview. And I'm just going to add welcome, and then I'm going to edit this text. Here's a 10% discount. Over here, you can add your own text and all that. You get the point. But done editing, you're just going to save and close, and then you're just going to click on save and return to journey to continue automating and syncing up your Mailchimp journey. So once you've done that, let's say they have signed up, they get the email, Then you can save this as it is if you want, but you can add more customization as well. So what you can do is you can add like a if or else button, and you're going to add this if or else button below the email. Just drag and drop over here. So you're going to click on the if and yes button over here, and the settings are going to be if they open the campaign activity was opened within the last 5 campaigns. So if they open this campaign, you're going to click on save over here. If they don't open this campaign, so if it's a no, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to send them another email. And in this email, I would write like give them another 10% discount, or like I would give them like a special free sample or something like that. And then if they did open the welcome email, I would click on group and I would group them in my active customer section or something like that. So that is how easy it is to sync up your Mailchimp customers and make a simple little customer journey. You don't have to make it too complicated. If you want to keep it a simple sign up email, you can keep it at that. And once you've done that, you can just save and send it to your customers. Now, what are the other things that you can automate on Mailchimp? So Mailchimp, other than their automation journey, they also have this campaign section, and in your campaign section you can create like absolute campaigns. Like I've created this thank you email for signing up, and it has 3 recipients, and this was sent on this date, and then you can see when it was opened and clicked on, if it was opened at all. And you can see I only have added myself as the audience as well, so that's why they haven't been opened. But this is how you can categorize and automate your emails as well. So what you can do over here is that instead of creating like an entire automation journey, you can just create a campaign and create a simple little campaign, and then enter your campaign into your customer journey automation. So that is another way of going about syncing up your Mailchimp account. Now, although Mailchimp is great with these kinds of stuff, you can also integrate many different applications. So if you go into your integration section, you can integrate your Google Calendar, you can integrate your Facebook account, Google account, you can integrate your e-commerce stores like Ecwid, Shopify, Stripe, whatever e-commerce store you are linking up, you can sync that up as well. And it's pretty simple. You just have to click on this, and just by a simple click, you can just click on connect, and then you're going to be synced up with your Google or your Shopify store, or even your Canva or design stores, or not design stores, like design elements. You can link them up as well, and they can help you better design your emails and your websites or landing pages that you create using Mailchimp. So although Mailchimp is great and I do love to use it, there are a few limitations, and the limitations are based on price. So on the free version, you only get a marketing CRM, creative assistant, website builder, Mailchimp domain, and forms and landing pages. So this customer journey section that I showed you guys over here, like this one where we built like this entire journey, like this one, you can't basically create this if you are on the free version of Mailchimp. So for this, you will have to upgrade to at least their essentials version, and even on the essentials version, you can't really send it. You actually have to upgrade to the standard version, which starts at $17 per month based on 500 contacts. So if you have like 5,000 contacts, it's pretty much going to change the price depending on how many contacts you grow. So if you have 25,000 contacts, it's going to be more in price. So it just really depends on the number of people that you are targeting, but it starts at $17, and you also get send time optimization, behavioral targeting, custom templates, and dynamic content as well. So I would recommend that if you choose to upgrade on Mailchimp for their syncing up features and for their automation features, you should definitely skip the essentials version. I don't find it to be ever worth it, and just put in the extra $6 and go for the standard version starting at $17. And if you find that the standard version is good enough, and you can just keep it at that. And if you find that you want more power in your Mailchimp and you want more powerful integrations in your email marketing, then you can upgrade to the premium version starting at $300, almost $300, $299. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to create your own automation journey and create your own automatic sync ups on Mailchimp. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you have any questions. I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like this, and I will catch you guys in the next video.